The dollar eased after Federal Reserve's Chair, Jerome Powell, said a disinflationary process is underway, boosting risk appetite as investors hope that the climbing U.S. interest rates will come to an end soon. MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside Japan was 0.91% higher. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.10%, while Australia's S&P/ASX 200 index was 0.14% higher. Chinese stocks 0.11% higher. Hong Kong and Seng index was up nearly 1%. Euro stock 50 features up 0.74%. German DAX features 0.74%. FTSE features 0.46%. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed sharply higher overnight. U.S. central bank scaled back to a 25 basis points increase after a year of larger hikes, setting aside a list of reasons ranging from Russia and Ukraine war to COVID-19 pandemic, which are currently driving commodities prices higher. The Federal Reserve said it has turned the fight against high inflation, although interest rates may be increased further, but will remain elevated through 2023 as disinflationary processes are underway. However, policymakers project that ongoing increase in borrowing costs will be needed and push back against an expectation in financial markets that the Fed will pause soon and cut rates later this year. Gasoline consumption and imports in Indonesia, Asia's largest importer of major fuel, motor fuel, is set to hit records high this year as the nation recovers from COVID-19 related travel curbs. Gasoline consumption headed for an all-time high of 670,000 barrels per day in 2023, surging from a record of 635,000 barrels per day in 2022. According to senior oil market analyst, Mr. Sophia Goldie Sante, post-COVID recovery is the main driver behind the growth in demand. He also projects a hike in demand and a strong economic growth and mobility. Well, crude oil prices rebounded today after tumbling in the previous session as a weaker dollar brought back some appetite for risk assets, and OPEC Plus decision to roll out over and output cuts helped ease oversupply concerns. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude sells for $76.97 per barrel with an upward price margin of 0.7%. Brent crude futures experienced an upward price review of 0.60%, selling at $83.37 per barrel. Body light sells at $84.43 with a price decline of 1.34%. And for the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers are offering $81.95 with a downward price review of 1.80%. Well, that's our package for you on Business Nigeria this Thursday. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I'll see you tomorrow, same time. To stay with TVC News for the rest of our programming. Stay safe.